Get it flat.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you how to create your own custom YouTube channel art type stuff. And here's my YouTube channel art right here, and some of my thumbnails. In the last video I told you how to make thumbnails, and today we will be using Canva, the same thing I use to make my thumbnails. So basically all you need to do is type in on YouTube channel art. You should start loading up. Now it's just gonna load. So once it's loaded up, you'll have this page type thing. You could get your backgrounds here, same thing as last time. Please watch the video before, because it's basically the exact same thing, but then you could also pick one of these also, if you want one of these. So say you just want a cool background, and you can make your own, sure, like this. And basically, you want to make your stuff all cool to make it so, oh, this YouTube channel is great, come look at it. And bunch of other stuff. I'm just doing a quick sketch on what I'm gonna do. Get some charts there. This is way too big. Oh, good quality. Shrink that down. For some reason my computer seems to be a little bit laggy right now. There we go. Shrunk this. Oh, this is great. Choose something you want. If you want some shapes on it, quick sketch. Be like, place your thing there. And then you take your graph and then you look at some more, and then you do this. And you probably want to do something about that. Like move this. Move this guy over here. Move this one so it's middle. And we do like right there. And we want to do something about this. I forgot the button where it is. I feel like it's in more, but it's not. Somewhere around this page there's a button. So this, no, you can choose the type of fonts. Basically whatever you want for your design. But there's one important thing you have to do. It's where you go to your uploads, you need this little thing, YouTube channel template. And basically you're gonna wanna resize it so it's almost the size of the screen, but you don't want it to fully attach as the screen. I messed up. So say whatever you're using, got it all in there. So you take your YouTube area. And basically, once you take this, you're gonna wanna, what is it? Where? Go here and go to transparency. And basically, 60, 50. All your stuff should be in there. It says I have no stuff, so it's like you can it makes it transparent so you can see through kind of. Basically, you gotta fit all your stuff between this text and logo safe area. So once you have that done with your text and logo safe area, you say, oh, I like it. You click download, and then you start downloading it. And basically, once you have it downloaded, go to your YouTube channel, which is somewhere here. Go to your YouTube channel once it's downloaded. And see how about this? There should be like a customized channel. I'm guessing it's this. I think it is. And then you could see edit, and you could edit your profile, and you could edit your ultimate channel, and just drag that into there, and it should be like, oh, here's your new background. And that's all it is to it. And probably next video I could show you how to create your own intros. If you like my intro, there's a bunch of other intros you could get. And see you. Bye!